In this video, we're going to fix robot or human press and hold not working on the Walmart website. So here's what you have to do. First, you will open up the browser which you used to log into Walmart. And then you want to click on the three dots here, assuming this is Google Chrome, and then go into settings. Now you want to search the settings for clear cache or just cache, like so. And you will select this option, delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Now you want to set the time range for all time. Make sure you know your passwords because this is going to log you out. And you want to click on delete data. If that doesn't work, the second thing that I can suggest doing is using another internet connection. If you're using Ethernet, you want to try connecting to a Wi-Fi network. And if you're using a Wi-Fi network, try switching over to a different one. And here, the last thing that I can suggest doing, if it still doesn't work, is changing your browser so you can search for Mozilla, Firefox, like this. This is a browser that usually works. You will click on this option, download Firefox, and then you can try signing into your Walmart account there. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.